Here we are going to continue with exercise 12.2 of the chapter linear equations and inequations. We have already did till question number 12 in our previous video. Now let's do question number 13. Now in question number 13 we are having a father is 7 times as old as his son. 2 years ago the father was 13 times as old as his son. How old are they now? Now as the age of father is 7 times the age of his son, this means the father's age is dependent on son. So we can take the son's age be x and the father's age be 7x. Now he's saying 2 years before. So their age 2 years before will be, now the son's age 2 years ago is x minus 2 and the father's age 2 years ago is 7x minus 2. According to question, the father is 13 times the age of his son. So 7x minus 2 equals to 13 into x minus 2. And here we get 7x minus 2 equals to 13x minus 26. Now we'll be putting all the variables in one side and all the constant on the other. And here we get 7x minus 13x equals to 2 minus 26. Now we'll be solving it and this will be minus 6x equals to minus 24. Minus minus cancel out and x equals to 24 upon 6. We can solve it to get 4. So x will be equals to 4. So son's age is 4 years and father's age is 28 years as answer. Now we'll be doing question number 14. Here in question number 14 we have the age of Sona and Sonali are in the ratio of 5:3. 5 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 10:7. 5 their present ages. Now let the Sona's age be 5x and Sonali's age be 3x and their ages 5 years hence will be 5x plus 5 and 3x plus 5. And according to question, 5x plus 5 upon 3x plus 5 will be equals to 10 upon 7 as the ratio of their ages 5 years hence is 10:7. Now we can solve it by doing a cross multiplication and this will be 7 into 5x plus 5 equals to 10 into 3x plus 5. Now open the bracket and here it is 35x plus 35 equals to 30x plus 50. Now we can place all the variables in one side and all the constant on the other. So it is 35 minus 30x equals to 50 minus 35. That is 5x equals to 50 and x equals to 3. Now we're going to place the value of x over here to get the age of Sona and over here to get the age of Sonali. And here we get the age of Sona as 15 years and Sonali as 9 years as answer. Now let's do question number 15. Here in question number 15 we have an employee works in a company on a contract of 30 days on the condition that he will receive rupees 200 for each day he worked and he will be fined for rupees 20 for each day he is absent. If he receives 3,800 in all, for how many days did he remain absent? The number of days he was absent be x and as he was about to do the work for the 30 days, so the number of days he was present will be 30 minus x. Now as he received rupees 3,800 in all, in which he have worked for 30 minus x days and was absent in x days. Now as he was paid 200 rupees for each working days and he was fined 20 rupees for being absent. So according to question we get 200 into 30 minus x, which is the payment he has got for the working days, and minus 20 into x, which is a fine which he have paid for being absent, and in all he has got 3800 rupees. Now we are going to solve this to get the value of x, which is the number of days he was absent. And here on solving this we have got 6000 minus 200 minus 20 equals to 3800. Now we'll be putting the number on the other side and this will become minus 220x equals to 3800 minus 6000, which will be equals to minus 220 and 0. Now we can put this in the denominator of this one and x will be equals to minus 2200 upon minus 2 and 0. Minus minus cancelled out, 0 cancelled out, 22 1 and 22 10 times. So here we get x equals to 10. So he was absent for 10 days. Therefore, the number of days he was absent equals to 10 days as answer. I will be doing question number 16. Here in question number 16 we are having, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, 2 and 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of 5 coins and the total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Now as in the question it has been given, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. This means the number of rupees 2 coin is dependent on the number of rupees 3 coins. So here we have taken the number of rupees 5 coins be x and we have got rupees 2 coins be as 3x as it was 3 times of it. Now we are having the total coins as 160 and on including these two we get 4x. So rupees 1 coins are equals to this minus the sum of these two, that is 160 minus x plus 3x, that is 160 minus 4x. Now according to question we are having total of rupees 300. Therefore 1 into this value, 2 into this one and 5 into x is total to 300. Now we are going to solve it to get the value of x. And here we get 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x equals to 300. Now we can solve all the variables and on solving this we will be getting 7x and this will be sent on the other side, that is 300 minus 160. Now 7x equals to the difference of these two, that is 140. So x equals to 140 upon 7. So x equals to 20. Therefore rupees 5 coins equals to 20, rupees 2 coins equals to 60 and rupees 1 coins equals to 80 as answer. Now let's see question number 17. In question number 17 we have a local bus is carrying 40 passengers, some with rupees 5 tickets and the remaining with rupees 7.50 tickets. If the total receipt from these passengers is rupees 230, find the number of passengers with rupees 5 tickets. Now let the number of passengers with rupees 5 tickets be x and the number of passengers with rupees 7.50 tickets be 40 minus x as the total number of passengers was 40. Now according to question the total collection is of rupees 230. Therefore 5x plus 7.50 into 40 minus x equals to 230. Here we have multiplied 5 into x and 7.50 into 40 minus x and the total collection is 230 rupees. Now we are going to open the bracket and this will be 5x plus 7.5 into 40, that is 300, minus 7.50x equals to 230. Now we can solve the variables and put the constant on the other side and this will be minus 2.50x equals to 230 minus 300 and this can be written as minus 250x equals to minus 70. Minus minus will be cancelled out and x will be equals to 70 upon 2.50. Remove decimal to get 100. We can cancel 0 with it, 25 4 times and here we get value of x as 28. So number of passengers with rupees 5 tickets equals to 28 as answer. Now let's do question number 18. Here in question number 18 we have, on a picnic a group of students agrees to pay equally for the use of a full boat and pay rupees 10 each. If there had been 3 more students in the group, each would have paid rupees 2 less. How many students were there in the group? Now here the whole boat is been reserved by the few number of students and as the whole booking charge will be fixed and the amount is going to be shared by the different number of students. If the number of students are increased, the share will be less, and if the number of students are going to decrease, the share will be more. Now in this case the share is less because number of students are increased and there are 3 more students and therefore the contribution of each student is 3 less. So according to question 10x equals to 8 into x plus 3. This x is the number of students in the group and this 10 is the price paid by each student to book the boat and this 10x is the actual price of the booking of boat. Now here in this case the students are increased by 3, that is x plus 3, and the contribution of each child is decreased, but as they are going to book the same boat, so their price is same and they have been equated. Now we are going to solve it to get the value of x, and here on solving this we will be getting 10x equals to 8 into x, that is 8x, plus 8 into 3, that is 24. Now put x on the other side, this is 10x minus 8x equals to 24. 10 minus 8, that is 2x equals to 24, and here x will be equals to 12. So there are 12 students in the group. Here we get the number of students in the group equals to 12 as answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.